Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. We've got something really exciting lined up for you today. We're diving into the latest buzz around DJI and their rumored new camera. It's called the DJI Osmo 360, and if the leaks are true, it could be a total game changer in the world of 360-degree cameras. DJI is known for making some of the best drones and action cams out there, and now it looks like they're ready to step into the 360 space, where brands like Insta360 and Ricoh have already made a name for themselves. The Osmo 360 is expected to combine everything people love about DJI, like great stabilization, smart shooting tools, and solid build quality. And it could take things even further with new features made just for immersive content. We're going to break down all the leaks and rumors in this video, so you can get a full picture of what to expect from this upcoming device. So stick around, because if you're a content creator, traveler, or just someone who loves camera gear, this is one you don't want to miss. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you stay up to date with all the latest from Factis. The DJI Osmo 360 is rumored to be DJI's very first attempt at a full 360-degree camera, and from what we're hearing, it could be something pretty special. The world of immersive video is growing fast, with more people sharing content in virtual reality and interactive formats. So this could be a smart move for DJI, especially if they bring their top-tier features and reliable performance into this new space. Leaked renders show a sleek and compact design, kind of like what we've seen from the Osmo Pocket and Action series. It looks like it's made for portability with a smooth shape that fits right in your hand. It might also come with a small touchscreen on the side, which would make it easy to check your shots or tweak settings on the fly. Plus, there's talk about a rugged and water-resistant build, so you could take it out on hikes, beaches, or even light rain without a worry. A lot of the hype around this camera comes from its imaging power. The Osmo 360 is expected to have a dual lens system. These two ultra-wide lenses would work together to capture full 360-degree video and photos, seamlessly stitched into one smooth image. Rumors say it might record in 8K at 30 frames per second and 5.7K at 60 frames per second. That would put it right at the top with the best cameras in this category. Creators who want clear and immersive footage would definitely appreciate that. On top of that, it might also include an f2.0 aperture, which would help it perform better in low-light conditions. So you could shoot indoors or during golden hour and still get great results. DJI is also expected to bring their signature stabilization tech into this camera with a new hybrid system. It could combine hardware sensors like gyros with smart software to smooth out bumps and shakes, even while walking, running, or filming from a bike. There's more too. Eye-powered features might make the Osmo 360 smarter than ever before. It could include new shooting modes like subject tracking across the full 360 field. That means even if your subject moves out of frame, the camera could follow them using smart tracking tools. Other tools like time-lapse, hyperlapse, and motion-lapse are also expected. These are fun for creative shots and storytelling. Another cool feature could be the option to export flat widescreen videos from your 360 footage. This way, you can shoot everything around you and later pick the angle you want to show. It gives creators more freedom to tell their story without needing to reshoot. Battery life might also be a strong point. Rumors say the camera could last around 2.5 hours per charge, which is pretty good for a 360 cam. Plus, it might charge through USB-C with fast charging support. So even if you run low, you can get back up quickly without missing the action when it comes to software and apps. DJI usually does a solid job. The Osmo 360 is expected to pair with a new version of the DJI Mio app. You might be able to edit and stitch videos right from your phone. There could also be tools for color correction, frame picking, and easy sharing to social media platforms. And yes, live streaming might be part of the package too. Some leaks say it could stream in full 4K 360-degree format, which would be huge for vloggers and event streamers. The expected release window is late 2025, and price-wise, it might be a bit higher than the Insta360 X3, but still within reach for creators who want professional tools. The higher price could be justified by better features, stronger build, and DJI's reliable support. So overall, the Osmo 360 looks like it could be a solid entry into this market and a great option for anyone serious about creating immersive content. So there you have it. Everything we know so far about the DJI Osmo 360, this could be a big step forward for DJI and a fresh new option for creators everywhere. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, we might be looking at one of the best 360 cameras ever made. It could offer top-tier video quality, smart eye tools, solid stabilization, and great battery life, all packed into a small and portable device. We're really excited to see what the final version looks like and how it stacks up against other cameras in the market. If you're thinking about upgrading your gear or stepping into the world of 360 video, this could be the one to watch. Thanks a lot for tuning into Factic. We hope you found this video helpful and fun. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this camera and whether you think DJI can really shake up the 360 game. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss a future video from us. We'll be back soon with more reviews, tech updates, and helpful guides. Until then, keep exploring, keep creating, and stay inspired with Factic. See you next time.